Welcome to this video of lesson number 1, linear equations in two variables. Now in this video we are going to learn how to solve the given simultaneous equations in two variables using elimination method. This video is useful for standard 9 as well standard 10 students. Standard 9 you have already learned, and in standard 10 you are going to use it again. So in this method, as the name suggests, elimination. What do you mean by elimination? To eliminate means to remove. Now here we have two unknowns in two given equations. Okay, so to find the value of each variable, we have been given two equations. Say this first equation, let's number it as equation number 1, and this second is number 2. Now in both equations we have both variables. Now we have to derive from this given two equations one equation which will contain only one variable. So we have to eliminate or remove one variable. How to do this? What is the tip behind it that we have to see? Either by addition we can remove the one of the variable, or by subtraction. If by addition if we want to remove, or subtraction if we want to remove, its coefficient should be same. So we will see about the signs later on, but we should see that coefficient of any one variable should be same, and if it is not same we have to make it same. Let's go step by step. In this first example, if we observe these two equations, we have written which one below the other. Let's see what are the variables of x variable. This is 2 and 5 and 2. Are they same? No, they are not same. What about variable y? What about their coefficient? We are talking about only the coefficient without the sign. Here it is 3, 3. So coefficient of y is same. So we can eliminate this y easily. Now to eliminate, what we have to do? Either addition or subtraction. This will depend on the signs of 3. Okay. So here if you observe plus 3 and it is minus 3. So the signs are opposite. So if we add these two equations, this plus 3y will get eliminated with minus 3y. Means if the signs are opposite, we have to do the addition. So once we have decided that by addition we can eliminate the variable y, we will write this in short. That equation 1 plus equation 2. This you can write in words also, adding equation 1 to equation 2. This you can write in any way. This is the smartest and easiest way to write. Save your time and energy. Okay, here. Now just copy this for addition. It is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation number 1. And this 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is equation number 2. Now as we have to add these two equations, we will add these like terms which are written one below the other. 5x plus 2x will give us 7x. Signs are same, both are plus. We have to add. Now when we are adding, as the signs are different, we have to subtract. Plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. Okay, and then is equal to 9 plus 12. 12 plus 9 is going to be 21. So you can see that in this equation one variable is eliminated, and we have got one equation in only one variable. So if only one unknown, we can find this value of this unknown variable x. If 7x is 21, then what is x? Dear students, you are now big enough, you can understand directly that 7 how many are 21? That is 7 3s are 21. So 3s are 21, that's why value of x is what? 3. So we have derived, or we have found value of one of the variable x and y. Now let's substitute this value in one of the given equation. The given equation can be any one, but I will tell you to prefer the equation where you have positive plus only, no minus, just for making it easier for you. So we can say putting x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, so what is this equation 1? It is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and therefore 5 into value of x we have got 3 plus 3y is equal to 9, and therefore 5 3s are 15 plus 3y is equal to 9, and therefore 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. 15 is going on the other side, we change its sign. and that's why value of 3y is equal to minus 6. When the signs are different, you have to subtract. Bigger number minus smaller number. 15 minus 9, 6, and bigger number sign is minus. If 3y is minus 6, so 3 2s are 6, but as it is minus, so we will get value of y as minus 2. We have divided this by minus 6 by 3. Now we have got these two variables. We can verify whether this answer is correct or not quickly, and then we will write the answer. Now for verification, which equation we should use? As we have used your equation number 1, use the another equation, equation number 2. Means what? Substitute these values of x and y here in the LHS and try to get what is the value of LHS. This is our verification. LHS is what? 2x minus 3y. So 2 into value of x is we got 3, minus 3 into value of y we have got minus 2. Okay. So when this value is minus, you have to put it into bracket compulsory. Okay. So this 3 2s are 6, and minus minus will become plus 6 plus 6 12. And what is your RHS? Yes, it is 12. So your RHS is also 12. So this is verified from substituting the values in equation 2 that this your answer is perfectly correct. Now you can write this answer that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of your equation. Okay. Now this part verification is just for your verification. It is not part of the answer. If you want to do it, you can do it in the pencil in your exam also. Okay. So this is the main answer, and this way you have to write it. Okay. So in this way we have got the solution of first given pair of linear equations in two variables or simultaneous equation by elimination method. Now let's go to question number 2 from practice at 1.1. This is question number 2 ka first sum. Here we have been given 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Let's number this equation. Now again observe which variable has same coefficient. If we are talking about a, the coefficients are 3 and 1, which is not same. Say about b, which is b is having say 5, 5, correct. So these two coefficients are equal. Now how can we eliminate this b? By addition can we eliminate? If you do addition, what will happen? 5 plus 5 will become 10. No, it will not get eliminated as it was in this case. So what we have to do here? We can subtract this two given equation from one from the other. Okay. So if we subtract, then 5b minus 5b will get cancelled. While subtraction, you can do a small thing which will help you and which will avoid getting minus signs. That when you will subtract, now as anyhow the b is going to be get cancelled. See the coefficients of a. Here it is 3a and here it is a. So choose the equation where it is bigger coefficient. So to take that equation first. So as this is bigger, write equation number 1 first, from that minus equation number 2. Okay. So we are going to subtract equation 2 from 1. Write this in short. Now copy this equations. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Equation number 1. And another equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. This is our equation number 2. Okay, for subtraction, we know that minus into plus will become now minus. Similarly, here minus into plus will become minus. Minus into this plus will also become minus. Now we have to take this change signs of the terms in the second equation. Okay, not the original one. So now this is 3a minus a will give us 3 minus 1 will give us 2a. This plus 5b and now this is minus 5b will get cancelled. Okay, is equal to 26 minus 22. It is b 4. Now from this elimination of one variable, we have got equation in one variable 2a is equal to 4. If 2a is equal to 4, a is going to be 2 2s are 4. So it is 2. So we have got value of one variable. Now we have to substitute this value in any one of this and to get the value of b. So if we select, we can observe, and which is, so here the calculations are little bit less, so we can select equation number 2. Either you can write like this, or if you write therefore as, you can see directly also you can write a plus 5b is equal to 22. This is equation number 2. Copy this equation, substitute this value. So a is equal to 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Now 2 going on the other side, what will happen? It will become minus 2. And that's why 5b is equal to 20. And that's why b is equal to 5. How many is a 20? It is 5 4s are 20. So this 5 has gone as division. 20 divided by 4 is 4. Now let's verify these values quickly. As we have used here second equation for finding the value of another variable, let's substitute this both values equation number 1. For verification, 3a plus 5b. Just write this. What is 3a? A value of a is 2 plus value of b 5 into b it is 4. So 3 2s are 6 plus 5 4s are 20. Your addition is 26, which is equal to your RHS. It means your answer is correct. If you go wrong somewhere, your verification will not be tallied. So you will not be verified. So you can correct and you can avoid your mistakes. You can rectify your mistakes and you can save your marks, students. So verification is very most important part while doing the mathematics. Okay. Now while finding A or B anyway in any order, but solution should be always written in the alphabetical order. Means if we find A or B first, which we write always A first and then B. Therefore A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 is the solution. This solution can be written in other way as a pair of two numbers 2, 4. Means first value of A and then value of B is the solution of given equation. Preferably you write by this first method, but it is written as second method also. You should know this alternative method also. Okay. So in this way we have solved two given equations. We have seen how to do by addition and how to do by subtraction. Let's do one more sum by this method. Here I have chose the 6th question sum from the question number 2 of practice at 1.1. As here in this question we can see some numbers are in the denominator. We have to eliminate these denominators, and to eliminate this denominator, what is the LCM of this denominator? Luckily we have same numbers in the denominator 3 3. So let's multiply this equation by 3. So if we multiply this given equation by 3, first equation, so 3 into 1 upon 3x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 into 10 upon 3. Okay, and therefore we will get this 3 get cancelled, 1x that is x plus 3y, this 3 will get cancelled, is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Let's say this is equation number 1 which is derived by us. Similarly here, if we see this given equation, we have 4 in the denominator. So let's multiply each term of the equation, another equation, by 4. So if you multiply by 4, so 4 into 2x plus 4 into 1 upon 4y is equal to 4 into 11 upon 4. Let's multiply here. 4 2s are 8x plus 4 gets cancelled, is y is equal to 4 gets cancelled, 11. So equation number 2. Okay. If you say this 1 and 2, you have to say this 3 and 4. It doesn't matter a lot that how numbers you are giving. Now you have to solve these two equations where you have variables having whole numbers or natural the integers as your coefficients instead of having rational numbers. Now you have to verify, are these coefficient of x same? Here it is 1, here it is 8, so it is not same. Here what about here? 3 and here it is 1. So here is also not same. So just by addition or just by subtraction, we cannot eliminate any one of the variable. So here we have to make first the variables equal and then we have to add or subtract. Now these both things you can do it simultaneously at a time. How we can do? If we want to make the variable x to be equal, this equation 1 should be multiplied by 8. Or if you want to make this variable y to be equal, you have to multiply this equation by 3, which is easier. As the number 3 is smaller than 8, let's decide that equation 2 should be multiplied by 3. Now equation 1 we are not going to multiply, so I will write in short like this. Equation 1 as it is, I am going to keep some space over here, and here I will write equation 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so equation 1 I am going to copy as it is. X plus 3y is equal to 10. Okay, this is equation number 1 as it is. What about equation 2 into 3? Equation 2 multiplied by 3. You have to multiply by 3 to each term. So 3 8s are 24x plus 3y is equal to 11 3s are 33. Do not forget to multiply the number which is on right side, student. Sometimes students miss this and they multiply only here, and here they don't multiply, here they copy as it is 11 and they go wrong. So this is your equation number 2 into 3. Now you see whether you have to add or subtract. Now you have got both the coefficient of y in both the equations same. Now you decide whether you have to add or subtract. By addition, what will happen? 3 plus 3 is 6. It will not eliminate. So we have to do subtraction. So 3 minus 3 will become 0. Now as you have decided that by subtraction it will get eliminated, put the sign of subtraction over here. So as you are going to subtract, you have to change the sign. So this minus into plus will become minus, minus and minus. Okay. So now here x minus 24x. So it is minus 23x. This is getting cancelled over here. Now 10 minus 33 is going to be minus 23. Okay. Because 33 minus 10 will happen and bigger sign 20 minus 23. We have got this. So from this minus 23 going on that side, it will become division. So x is equal to 1. So this is our value of one variable. Now we can substitute this value in any one of these two equations, whichever is comfortable for us, and we can get the value of the other. So let's substitute this value in equation say 1. Okay. So if I put it here, say x plus 3y is equal to 10. And x is 1 plus 3y is equal to 10, and then 3y is going to be 10 minus 1 9, and that's why y is going to be equal to what? 3. So we have got this another value. Let's verify these values quickly by putting in equation 2. You can do it orally also. Say 8x, so 8 ones are 8, okay, plus y. What is value of y? 3. 8 plus 3, what it is? 11. So we have verified this, our answer, and now we can write its solution or answer part. Your answer, solution, whatever you write, that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 is the solution of given quadratic equation. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to solve given simultaneous equations, linear equations in two variables by elimination method. Tip for that, your coefficients should be same. When coefficients are same, you have to just add it. You have to eliminate one of the variable. If coefficients are same and both are of same sign, you have to subtract. And if they are not same, you have to make it same by taking multiplication and then either add or subtract. Now from this practice set 1.1, there are particular type of sums where the coefficients are same in the interchange order or interchange. This type of sums we have already covered in the previous video. You can see that link of that videos in the description box. You watch it. If you like these videos, please like and share it. And if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.